I welcome you all to this wonderful lesson where we've got this question that came in 2024 GCE exams. This is science paper 1 physics. So I want to make this question simple. If you are new to this platform, don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to subscribe to this wonderful channel or page. So this question, I'm going to answer it, and I'm going to make sure that I teach you how to answer even other questions similar to this one. The first question, so this diagram that is here, this is a simple machine. So this is a simple machine showing a wheel and the axle for lifting this load by just using that amount of effort. So this is the information that is given. The first question is saying, define a simple machine. I guess no one can fail to answer this particular question. When you are told to say define a simple machine is a device that is used to overcome a huge load by using small amount of effort. I guess you can write down that definition. So whenever we are talking about a simple machine, we are talking about a device that is used to overcome a huge load. So you are overcoming a huge load. So you are overcoming a huge load by using a small amount of effort. Have you seen a huge load by just using small amount of effort? Small effort. So if a question was to come in an exam, what is a simple machine? A simple machine is a device used to overcome a huge load by using small amount of effort. As simple as that. We now move on to the next question. The next question is saying calculate the mechanical advantage of the wheel and the axle shown. So this is the wheel. Have you seen? This is the wheel and this is the axle that is shown. They want us now to calculate the mechanical advantage. This is awesome. You know that mechanical advantage is given by the formula load over what? Effort. So this is load over what? Over effort. This is what we get to use. So where you say, okay, what is the load here? This question was so simple because they're even telling you to say load is 240. So you're just getting the data that is given, 240 newtons. Over effort is 60. It's 60 there. You say newtons. So what answer are you going to get if you divide there? So when you divide 240, divide 60, the answer that you're getting is just 4. No units, because this is a ratio. If I tell you define mechanical advantage, you're going to tell me that this is a ratio of the load to effort. As simple as that. So this is the what? This is the mechanical advantage. This question was so simple. We now move on to the next question. So I decided to write down this question so that everyone is able to see and follow clearly. The question is saying, if the radius of the wheel, which is capital letter R, so the wheel is capital letter R and axle small r, are 80 centimeters and 16 centimeters respectively. This means that this capital R is for this one, this small one is for that one. Have you seen? That is what the word respectively mean. Then determine the velocity ratio of the wheel and the axle. This is what we are given. So we want to determine the velocity ratio. Velocity ratio, we know that I guess some of you are having that formula where we say, oh, velocity ratio is found by the formula saying distance moved by effort over distance moved by load. But in this case, we are not given distance. What are we going to do? We are going to answer this using the data that is given, which is what? Radius. So what I'm going to do here, this is what you need to get. If you want to find the velocity ratio in this case, so you say, have you seen where this thing is coming from? So have you seen this is a what? This is the axle and this is a wheel. So you say wheel divide by what? Divide by the axle. Meaning the radius of the wheel, have you seen the radius of the wheel from here to there, divide by the radius of the axle. This is what you're going to do. So this is just the same as capital letter R over small r. As simple as that. So we say this is equal to radius of the wheel over the radius of the axle, which is equal to radius of the wheel is what? 80 centimeters over what is the radius of the axle, which is 16. I put 16 centimeters there, which is equal to, have you seen this and that will cancel, which is something that we already know. Velocity ratio has no units. So 80 divide 16. What answer we getting? We are getting 5. We put a 5 there. Have you seen? As simple as this. This is what you are supposed to do. So physics is all about understanding the question and what you are given. These are simple things that I expect everyone to answer even in an exam. Let us now move on to the last question. The last question is also very simple. The question is saying, what is the efficiency of the wheel and the axle? Very simple. You've got velocity ratio, mechanical advantage you have. So what are you going to do? You say efficiency is equal to, you are even shining answering these exams. Velocity, mechanical advantage. So you say mechanical advantage over velocity ratio multiplied by what? 100%. This is what we get to do. So these are some of the things that you need to know. These are some of the things you need to understand. So from here now, what we are going to do, this is just equal to, so this is just equal to what? I say, okay, what is mechanical advantage? Mechanical advantage is 4 over. What is velocity ratio? Velocity ratio is 5. Then I get to multiply by 100. If I multiply by 100, what answer am I going to get? So you can say 4 divide 5, that is 0.8. 0.8 you multiply by 100. What answer are you getting? You are getting 80%. So 80%, that is what? That is your answer. So this is what you need to do. These are some of the things you need to get and understand. Don't forget, we offer tuitions in mathematics, chemistry, physics, biology, as well as English language. If you need help, we are here to help you get a distinction that you deserve. So this is my number. This is Arisonite Learning Academy. Don't forget to follow us. Don't forget to share this particular video with your friends. We are here to make sure that we improve your grades. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.